Hey guys, I'm back. As you can probably tell by the title of this video, this isn't one of my normal videos. This isn't something that I would normally do. Sorry if I sound kind of thirsty. I've just been out of it since I've heard that Freddy E killed himself. I will have the story about it in the description box, but I just felt really moved by this, like when I heard. Now I'm not one to make videos like this. Like, let me just say before I get started, I did not know Freddy E in any way. It's not like I could call him up and be like, yo Freddy, what's good? I did not know Freddy E at all. But that nigga with the tattoos, I'll post his link below. He made a video about this, you know, just talking about suicide and how Freddy killed himself and whatever. And he basically thought it was stupid to do something like that. I don't know. I personally, I don't have like a specific thought on suicide or a specific view towards it or whatever, but watching Freddy's videos and just looking at Freddy through a normal light, like not knowing him personally, but being able to watch his videos and get that kind of personality through his videos, and I didn't think he would be like a suicidal person, but I just felt sad ever since I heard that he killed himself. I know I watched Trey's videos, like he and Trey Melvin did a video together, and that video was crazy, and Freddy is funny. I didn't even know he was a real rapper, but I just wanted to come on camera and talk about it. I was about to make a picture to put on my Facebook fan page, but I just thought I would just also do a video, because I know a lot of people will be saying, you know, sending out condolences and all that stuff, but I just never got that, like, that vibe from Freddy E. I didn't think he was like that type of person. This isn't a video to be judgmental, this isn't a video to be pointing fingers or whatever, but it's alleged that he did kill himself over his ex, because they broke up or whatever. So people, I was like, who the hell is Honey Cocaine? Like, that's her name, Honey Cocaine. Like, what kind of name is that? I don't know. But I just thought I would check her out. So, you know, I typed in Honey Cocaine on YouTube, and I saw, like, she's this supposed young money artist. And she does have a couple songs or whatever, and I'm like, oh, so that's her. She kind of looks Asian or whatever. But that's not even the point. The point is somebody gave up because they felt kind of neglected or whatever. I don't even know. Like, I don't know. I didn't know Freddy, as I said before, but I just feel really touched by this. And people do this shit like every day. People make mistakes like these. People get tired and just feel like they can't take it anymore. They end their lives. And I'm just saying, like, I don't know. There had to be like somebody who kind of got that hint from him, or I don't know. Like, I mean, he was tweeting about it before he killed himself. And somebody must have known, like somebody must have thought about it, like what kind of tweets would this be, like a normal person would be sending these kind of tweets. And I remember this police officer, I think, who killed himself here in Jamaica, killed himself and killed his family some time ago. He Facebooked something, and it kind of gave a hint that, you know, something was going on in his head. And I'm saying, if Freddy E were to tweet something, I didn't follow him on Twitter, as I don't know this guy, I don't know him, I only know him by watching his videos. But I'm saying somebody had to known something or get hinted at something that he was going to do something really bad, because he basically spelled out everything on Twitter. I don't know, like, I just feel really bad about it, that he would kill himself like that. And especially when it didn't strike me. And I know he doesn't strike a lot of people as that type of person, you know. Freddy E was all macho, all gangster, all looking good, you know. And I guess I'm saying this to say, looking at somebody, you can never know what's happening on the inside. You get what's on the outside because that's what they tend to show, but you don't know what's happening on the inside. So I'm just saying this to say, live life as if you only have one life to live, because that's the truth. You only have the one to live. You don't have, you're not sure if you're going to see tomorrow, you're not sure about next year, you're not sure about a week from now, whatever. Just live life as if it's the only life that you have to live. Live life as if you have one day. Be kind to somebody. Because I know that if somebody had taken it into consideration that Freddy was feeling so much on the inside, then I don't know, maybe this could be stopped, maybe it's an act of God, whatever. But I'm just saying, you can never know. So it's best to do something, you know, to prevent what you think may happen. I don't know, he was just feeling so much, and for me to be reading these tweets, and I'm saying to myself, like, wow, like, this dude, he had some burdens, like, what was going on in his life? And I mean, like, him making videos, he made this video, spoken word ignorance, before it happened, sometime before it happened, and I'm like, wow. After I saw the news, I listened to the video, and I was like, this is some deep shit. Like, he was going through it, and I just wonder if, like, anybody even saw that he was going through, like, everything that he was going through, and it's just kind of sad. Like, it really is sad. And yeah, so I'll see you guys. I know the mood for this video is like so dead and so dry, but I really can't help it because I was really touched by this, and this isn't a video that I planned. I just did it because I don't think I would feel right in myself knowing that I could have put out this video. I don't know, maybe it will help somebody. But I'm just saying, be safe, guys. Please be smart, and talk to somebody. Like, seriously, there has to be somebody that you can talk to when you're feeling like Freddy was feeling. I don't know. I know the mood is jab. I know this is not normally me, but I'm just really sad about it. And I just hope you guys continue to enjoy your new year. What's her name? Honey Cocaine, or whatever your name is. I don't even know you. Like, I don't know you. But I don't know. Just try to analyze yourself, because something must have happened that, like, just really pushed this nigga over the edge. Like, really. But you can never know unless you feel it. Like, only who feels it knows it. We know that. We hear that all the time. But I'm just saying, condolences goes out to the family. Condolences to his friends. And I hope that somebody learned something from this. That's all I gotta say, guys. Just stay safe out there and just be smart. Okay? Bye. I go on and on and on. My life.